Classification, micro. If it now, sir. First, we will read the earlier definition and go to the new definition. Earlier definition: if it is classified as micro enterprises, for manufacturing enterprises, investment less than 25 lakh. For small, investment less than 5 crores. For medium, investment less than 100 crores. In new definition, revised MSME definition, criteria is investment and annual turnover. Earlier, manufacturing and service both are different criteria, both different amount, and now they have combined both manufacturing and services. If it is classified as micro, then its investment must be less than 1 crore and turnover less than 5 crores. For small, investment less than 10 crores and turnover less than 15 crores. For medium, investment less than 20 crores and turnover less than 100 crores. This definition will come into force from 1st July 2020. You have to go to Udyog Aadhar website. And here you have to enter your Aadhar number and name as per Aadhar, and pick this one and click on the validate and generate OTP. You will receive an OTP, Aadhar OTP. You have to enter OTP here, and after entering OTP, click on the validate.
Fayaz, not able to hear.
Now, hello.
No, still not able to hear anything.
Hello. Hello.
No.
Swaroop ki వినపడట్లేదు. వినిపిస్తుందా సార్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can hear.
Okay, sir. And after entering the OTP, click on the validate. You will be redirected to this page. If you have already registered under MSME on that other number, here you will get a message. You have registered one MSME. Click on the number to view previous applications. If you have not registered earlier, then this message will not appear. And you have to select your social category: general, SC, ST, OBC, gender, male or female, physically handicapped, yes or no, And name of the enterprise, you have to enter your name of the enterprise, not your name, sorry. Type of the organization, proprietorship or individual family, partnership, cooperative, society, private limited. And next enter your PAN number. After that, if you are manufacturing sector, you have to enter your location of the plant details, plant and machinery details. You have to enter location of the plant and machinery address. If you have more than 2 plants and then click on the add plant, you will get another box like this. There you can enter another plant address. And next, office address. That means your register office address you have to enter here. Address, state, district, PIN and mobile number and email ID. And date of commencement of the business. If you previous EM1, EM2, SSI, UAM registration number. If you have registered earlier, then you have to click on the under which you have registered. And next you have to enter your bank account details, IFSC code and bank account number and major activity of the unit. If you are manufacturing or service, you have to enter here. NIC code in the register. NIC code you have to enter, National Industry Classification Code. Here you have to choose. From this drop down list, you have to choose which type of business you are doing. If you choose all three, then this will appear. Then code automatically will be taken here. And you have to enter number of the persons you have employed in your office. And then investment in plant and machinery. You have to enter investment in plant and machinery in lakhs, 25 lakhs or 30 lakhs, 40, 50. Based upon you will get certificate. Based upon this investment and you will get certificate. And then click on the submit. You will get one OTP to your mobile number. You have to enter your OTP and CAPTCHA you have to enter. And if you click on the final submit, instantly you will get the certificate, MSME certificate. You can take the printout of it. And I am showing one sample MSME certificate. It is done in our office. This is how it looks like. This is D, category D. That means service micro. Name of the enterprise, Infosys Software and Consulting Private Limited. This is how MSME certificate looks like. MSME completed.